Hi guys, I'm Neil, hologram 3D designer. Today, I will show you how to make a video of the 3D hologram file with a simple software. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Download the software from this website. Free type. Install this software. Open it and click here. Enter the text what you want and adjust it to the right side. Okay, it has already 3D text. Alright, next I will adjust the corner. Choose the corner what you want. I choose red corner here. I suggest the text front corner is different from the text side because it looks better. The background must be black. Adjust the text thickness. Set an animation. It have a lot of style of the animations. You can choose one what you like. Finally, export the video. And have a play and try. Alright. Hologram then demands a bin format file, so convert the video format for the hologram file. Copy the bin format file to the storage card of the hologram file. Yeah, it's amazing! Remember, these 5 steps before you make 3D video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.